because we are going to ride a cable car up in there. Yes, and I'm so excited. So we came here this morning and it was a lot of people and the queue up is so much. So we decided to go down first and go to a wine store, to a winery. And look at the view behind me. Oh my god, it's stunning, isn't it? So I will give you a glimpse on going up there on the cable car, of course. And yes, and hopefully you are excited also for me. So it's the cable car coming down. We are right here on top and look at the view. Hey, oh my god! It's really rewarding. Yeah. We are going for a hike. They also have some shops here and it's good, not so expensive, I guess. Here too, shopping in the mountain. It's for the hikers. We found it's a mushroom like in circle line from here to there, and people thought that this mushroom are for the witches and the witches dance in the middle of it. Look at that. Oh dear. going there. Oh. Oh. So hunting for food again. Look. I found it's really interesting. And this is for the chestnuts. Yeah, this is how you fry the chestnuts, where you put them. Look at that. Yeah, and then there's a huge fire, right? Like coal. When is it? Sorry? Awards. Interesting. Ah. OMG, so look what I've got. So yeah, they are ranch, so, and they are the maker. Here, and also the cheese here. Good.
Hast du noch? Okay. Mutter, Dankeschön, danke.
Oh wow.
Das ist jetzt in der Corona-Zeit, das ist ganz geschickt.
Was
Ja,
denn?
mit den Tüten. Das Brot in den Tüten. Auch kriegst du deine Portion.
So look what I've got. There's a lot of meat. OMG. So, and we put the bread here. Yeah. Good.
You take one.
I'll try the hard one. It's
Ja,
lecker.
wir machen sie einen ganz guten, ganz guten Parmesan.
Ja?
Mm.
Das ist ja das Farbe, ne?
Good. Mm. This is very good. Mm.
Tomato one.
So, as expected, it's gone. And they also give us apples, you know, look at them, it's still very nice. Yeah. After all the meat and the apples. Nice. That was a lot of meat, no? A lot of meat and cheese, and it was really nice. I finished everything. Try apples. I'm still. Mamma mia, I am not still full. Eating this. Tyler? Good? We're going to get some specs and cheese. here.
Ja, such dein Haus, ich bleib hier.
Sounds good. Cheese that we all made.
Avete un altro accento. Questo è anche molto buono, sai?
Oh, this is a jam. Jeez. Oh, the speck. This one here.
Il secondo? Sì. Questo viene 13,50, questo 10,90. Quanto faccio?
Very good cheese.
Se sei qui non posso.
Trentino. So we got it. We have cheese. We have meat from this shop. The shop is really looks so simple, but it's very surprising inside, guys. So beautiful. So this is their restaurant. Here they serve this all the meats. This you see, and this is the ranch. And I like it here because it's untouched. Like there is really no such thing as a lot of tourists. No, it's just like an occasional hiker. The cows inside. It's for sale. That building out there. If we win the lottery, we will buy it. And we will going to make it a 5-star hotel with a 5-star view. Yeah. Are you producing a good cheese? Good goat cheese? Hello. Oi. Hello. Oi. Hello.
So to give something green.
Yeah. Uh-oh. No nay. It's a good case, huh? Good cheese. Oh no, is it a joke? Was it a bad joke? You don't like it? No. No, don't chase me. Oi, go too. Hachu. Bless you. They're here. No kicking allowed here, huh? No kicking allowed here, huh? You like me here? No? Black and white. It's nice. What a hike today. It's beautiful. Doei! Cheers! Oh yeah, that is tough one. That's really nice, yeah? So back in the forest, we are going to find the lake. Yeah, we're going to find the lake. Where's mommy go? There's ink mushroom here. Oh wow. So we are back down here. Whew. Yeah. It was really a nice adventure. Oh my god, unbelievable. First it was a plan is to come up there, but it was a lot of people and we went down there to get some wine and came up here again, and finally we made it on top of there and got a lot of meat. It was a nice day indeed. Thank you, mommy. Mwah. It was indeed a nice adventure, guys, and have a nice day. So yeah. So thank you so much for dropping by. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. And it's Gabby here. I will see you again. Bye. It was indeed a nice adventure, guys, and have a nice day. So yeah. So thank you so much for dropping by. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. And it's Gabby here. I will see you.